Hello everybody, this is Dr. Meenakshi, your sports physiotherapist. Welcome to our new video. Okay, today I am going to tell you or show you the exercises for tennis elbow. Although it is called tennis elbow or the lateral epicondylitis, but it is happening in very much known tennis players also. It's very common and you will feel pain in your outer side of your elbow here, because here all the wrist extensors take origin and here they get irritated and sometimes a swelling is also felt here. Fine. So to relieve these, I was going to tell you some stretches and exercises. Let's catch up. Okay, the first exercise is range of motion exercises, and we are doing it actively, so these are the active range of motion exercises. You can straighten up your elbow or you can bend it according to your comfort. You need to do what? Extension of your wrist, flexion, deviations and rotations like this. Okay, so these are the active range of motion exercises for your wrist. I told you, you feel pain here, but it is much more related to your wrist activity because these exercises are responsible for your wrist extension. So I am doing the active range of motion to give a warm up to these muscles so that we will do next stretches to this muscle. Okay, it's warmed up now. So next exercise is stretching of this muscle. You can do like this. You need to make your elbows straight and do it like this, and with the other hand you can put a pressure and you will feel a very good amount of stretch here. Okay, so do it like this. Fine. Come on, you will feel the stretch. Very good, and relax. Okay, if it's not sufficient, then you can make a fist and then stretch. You will feel a very good amount of stretch now. Okay, so you can do it like this and relax. Repeat it for 3 times and with 30-second hold. Now the next exercise is wrist extension. Okay, just sit on a chair like this and rest your arm like this, and you can make a fist or straighten up it and do the extension and slowly down, relax. Do the extension and slowly down. In progression, what we will do, we will add up some weight. So you can take, don't go for 1 kg or 2 kg in your initial stage. Take light weight like this. I am having this gel bottle here. So like this, and full, you will feel the contraction here and controlled downward motion. Full up and controlled downward motion. So go for 3 sets of 10 and then you will progressively increase according to your muscle allowed workout. Fine. Then we will shift to the flexion also. So we will do the wrist flexion like this. Do the wrist flexion like this because we want to, improve the overall strength. Okay, do it like this. Fine. With weight, with resistance. Then the next is ulnar and radial deviation. For this, put your hand like this, and this is what? Radial deviation. This is what? Ulnar deviation. So first of all, you are doing it like this, freely active motion, both deviations. Okay, and then to do the resisted radial deviation, again I am picking up this bottle and full controlled, and then slowly down, full controlled up, and then slowly down. You will feel a very good amount of contraction here. Okay, and then go down, up, and then go down. Okay, the next is supination and pronation. For this, you will put it like this, and then this is the neutral position. So this is what? Pronation. This is what? Supination. So pronation and supination. You need not to do it like this. Make sure that it is stick by your trunk, and then you are performing this motion. Supination and pronation. Supination and pronation. Okay, the next exercise is twisted towel wrist extension. So for that you need to do it like this. Straighten up your elbows, okay, and first of all you twist it in flexion. My wrist is in flexion, and then you will do controlled extension. Flexion, it's you know, somewhat similar to riding a bike, and you are racing it up, and then you are accelerating. Then you are accelerating the race, and you are accelerating. You will feel a very good amount of, you know, stretch, and it will also give you a eccentric contraction of this muscle, which will help in building it very well. Okay, do it like this. Okay, if you have so much pain here, then you can go for the brace, the tennis elbow support brace. It is also very helpful in your initial stages to get you relieved from the pain. Okay, last but not the least, you go for the soft tissue mobilization. You can actually do it by yourself. Someone thinks that it is kind of a massage. Not a massage. I'm not doing it superficially like this. This is no. What you need to do, see, here is your pain. Fine. Here you will feel that thing. Then with the fingers you will actually mobilizing the whole tissue. So do it like this. You can see it closely. Do it like this. Fine. I'm not just rubbing it. This is maybe it will feel you somewhat relaxing, but actually what you need to do, you will feel the tissue here, and you are actually mobilizing the whole tissue. It will help in getting it relieved from the pain. Okay, like this. So I hope these exercises will help you in getting relief from your tennis elbow pain, and we will catch up in our next video with the next new topic. Till then, take care.